Hey everybody, it's Silver Seeker, and in today's video we're going to be talking about selling your silver, kind of like the silver eagle right here or the silver maple leafs. But specifically in this video we're going to be talking about selling your silver on eBay. And the reason we are doing this video today is because last week, as I record this, we did have a video where we actually called around to different coin shops around the United States and asked them if they are buying silver and what they are paying. And that video got a lot of good responses in the comments, and I appreciate that, so thank you very much. A couple of those comments were people saying that if they were going to sell their silver, they would sell it on eBay because the prices on eBay are insane. And the thing you probably already know is that it's not actually that easy. It's not as simple as it sounds. So we're going to go over to eBay. We're going to look at some eagles that are selling. We're going to do the math on some that are selling right now with buy it now by looking at spot price, doing the math and figuring out how much you get over spot after all the fees and everything else. And then you can decide for yourself if you think it's worth doing or not. So that's what this is about, guys. So let's go ahead and get over to it. I know you guys don't want to listen to me talk for another hour before we get into the meat of the video, but I do want to say really quickly, if you like this video and you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, guys, let's go over to eBay's website and get started and see what we can find. Okay, guys, we are now at eBay's website, but really quick, we're going to go over to Kitco Silver and we're going to hit refresh so we know we are working with the exact current spot price of silver. And as you can see, looking right here, guys, the bid and the ask of silver right now is $26.81 bid, $26.91 ask. We're going to go ahead and work with ask because you're selling it, so you're asking for that price. All right, so let's go ahead and get over to eBay and take a look. We're going to go ahead and search for silver eagles and see what pops up. It looks like the first listing that we have, as we scroll down, you can see these are all slabs and stuff in boxes. The first listing we have as we scroll down are these lot of 5 2020 American Silver Eagle coins, 1 ounce 99 fine silver in stock. So in stock, ready to ship, $186.88. They have sold 4,031 of these lots. So that is times 5, that's over 20,000 silver eagles. So obviously they're making some money on them, but let's go ahead and dig into it and see what's actually going on here. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull up a calculator. Okay, now that we have our calculator up, it's time to do some math. So $186.88. So let's just go ahead and quickly get some raw numbers. We're going to take that number and divide it by 5. So they are currently getting $37.37 for their silver eagles per coin, selling them in lots of 5. But again, it's not that simple. So you got to remember first off that eBay charges 10% seller's fees for standard listings if you don't have an eBay store. Now, if you do have an eBay store, there is a little bit of a discount for coins, bullion, and paper money, and we are going to get into that in this video. But to get us started for the regular everyday person that maybe has 20 eagles that they're wanting to get rid of because silver's going up, an eBay store is not going to be something that's feasible. So we're going to go with the standard 10%. So let's go ahead and take 186.88 and then we're going to times that by 0.9. And by timesing it by 0.9, that's removing 10%. And that leaves us with $168.19. Now, if we divide that by 5, you can see we have a significantly lower number of $33.63 per silver eagle. Now, if we subtract spot from that, which is $26.91, that is a profit of $6.72 over spot. But it's not that easy, is it? Because you got to remember that PayPal takes 3%. PayPal also charges a fee, and generally is how you're going to be getting paid on eBay. So what we have to actually do is multiply it by 0.87 to remove 13%. And the reason that we're going with the full 13%, and by the way, PayPal charges 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. We're just going to call it 3% for the ease of this video. But now that we know that, we have 13 total percent that's being taken out, and it is the whole 13% because PayPal takes 3% from the total amount that's paid, which is $186.88, and then eBay will then later charge you 10% of the same exact $186.88. So all we have to do now is take our $186.88 and we're going to times that by 0.87, and that's going to remove 13%, leaving us with $162.58. Now, something else you need to look at is if you look at this listing right here, free shipping, free shipping. So to ship 5 Silver Eagles, and you guys, if you guys know this channel at all, you know I ship a lot of stuff. To ship 5 Silver Eagles, you're going to be spending between $3.50 and $4 plus the materials, because you're going to need a bubble mailer or something like that. So we're gonna be conservative and just call it a flat $4. So now let's subtract $4 from our 162, putting us at 158.58. Now let's divide that by 5 and see what we got. Now we're at $31.71. If we subtract spot $26.91, that is now just $4.80 over spot. That's still $4.80 over spot, of course, but most shops are paying $2.50, and even that East Coast one in that video that we did was offering $4 over spot. That's a lot of hassle for just a couple dollars if you're only selling a few Silver Eagles. Now, I said earlier in the video that if you have a shop, if you have an eBay store, the fees do change a little bit. So let's go ahead and look at that so you can see what it would be like if you had an eBay store. We're going to look at 2 things with the eBay stores. First, we're going to look at the difference in fees. So as you can see, coins and paper money is 6.15% if you have an eBay store, as opposed to 10%. But if we scroll up, I want you to note that the eBay store costs money. $7.90 a month, $7.95 a month for a starter store, which is, you know, minimal perks, not a whole lot of free listings, not a whole lot of zero insertion fee listings. It's only a little bit for your basic store, which is the one most people are going to want to at least start with, is $27.95 a month. Now, we're not going to figure in that fee into our math, because if you have an eBay store, chances are you're selling more than just Silver Eagles. So we're not going to figure that fee into this, but I just want to point out that to have an eBay store, to get that discount, you are paying a monthly fee to get the discount. So that is something you need to keep in mind. But let's go ahead and do some math with this new number and see what the difference would be if you had an eBay store. So we're going to take 186.88 and we're going to multiply this by 0.9085, and what that does is removes 9.15% from our equation. Okay, so we're going to take 9.15% out and see what we have left. We hit enter. Now we're at 169.78. Let's subtract our $4 to ship it, and then let's divide it by 5. Now we have $33.15, and then we subtract spot. Now we're at $6.24 over spot. So as you can see, with an eBay store, the fee is definitely a little bit less. You get a little bit more per ounce on your Silver Eagles, but again, you do have that monthly fee. So if you're selling a bunch of other stuff as well, that does work out. But again, let's just say you're in that East Coast area. They're already paying you $4 over spot, so now you're only making an extra $2.24. That's if you have the store, and that's if you ship as cheap as possible, which without tracking, or you will get tracking, but you won't have insurance and things like that. And then also, when you're shipping your coins from eBay, you have to worry about the post office. And trust me, as much stuff as I have shipped, I have lost a couple of packages in my day. In fact, just recently, last month, I lost a package containing a 5-ounce silver bar and a 2-ounce silver coin that I have to replace because the post office just stopped updating, the tracking on it at the end of July. It's just poof. So that's something you have to worry about as well. Another thing you have to worry about is the buyers on eBay. On eBay, if they get it and it has, discoloration, like a fingerprint, or if there's a ding in it, or if there's anything that makes it not be you, if they file a complaint with eBay saying the item was not as described, even if you don't have a return policy, you will be forced to take that back and refund them their money because the item is not as described. And that does happen on eBay as well. So something else to keep in mind there. So you have to deal with the nitpicky customers that may not like the Silver Eagle because there's a little yellow spot on it, or they don't consider it brilliant uncirculated because there's a scratch. That is also something you have to keep in mind. Is it worth the hassle? Is it worth the time and effort to do it? It may be for you. I'm not here to tell you whether you should or shouldn't. I'm not telling you whether it's worth your time or it isn't. I'm just specifically in this video showing you the difference. If you only have 20 to sell, is it worth the extra money you're going to make selling on eBay, which is very little, and to deal with all the hassle and the extra time of shipping it and everything else? Or would you rather just walk into the shop, sell it, and let them make a little bit of money on it, and then you just pocket the money and go. So that's a decision for you to make. That's not a decision for me to make for you. I just, in this video, again, I wanted to share the options. So there you go, guys. That is our video. I hope that it was informative, and if you guys did like the video, please do me a favor, make sure you subscribe, and like I said, hit the bell notifications as well so you get all of my updates on my future videos, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I do hope that you enjoyed the video. If you guys are new here, before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any future notifications and videos when I upload them. I also want to give a huge shout out to all of my awesome channel members on the right hand of the screen right now. Thank you guys for making videos like this possible. We will see you next time.